Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be able to check a sena and my war. And we are saying, yes, and your work and him no cassa so tea. And we are saying, baby, I will do it and no be a chum until we are so we are the unwashing ye. Asamoah Ghana's all-time scorer 51 goals are 7 Obian to no unmatched. First time I got a cup World Cup on no share first goal. Africa Ohodi, your friend is saying, or a legendary status. The highest World Cup goal for an African, Asamoah. Yes, who are winning make a job. Now when I call Onia show, Nanama show the song. Says I show the army. Nanama be some very sensitive question. I say, what is your biggest regret in life? I said no kind you put him reba, mechichu.
On that note, to me, baby, so near maybe a personal. We are say abraboni baby a wadri nana. Me ti hey. Me won near ma dear chia ya na misro se beto me. Inti wo said your web busua o ma. Wabo obra edru baby. Won't mean ka say we need challenges. Now let me ask you. A day your biggest fear. Sabre ya otiwe. Nipa. And usro nipa.
Muy dangerous lion. Once a lion no. Ohun or ba attack ohun so obekum.
Obekawo.
Ba nipa no ohun. Usro ni papa.
Usro ni papa. De nipa ye wunti.
Yeah. Ohun de oye bibia wenim no. Everything looks perfect.
Na Asamoah wakan entina amawonsam. Akwabi na kan se nipa hu ohun. O se kana miensa ni hu ohun. Nipa hu ohun, hu ohun. Sabe e beka utrim. Eyampa. De ono osre ono okoba no ono a no eden. Onya wo beye wo.
Me first na me mpa abo asem, but sisi am na mfo ye nkraman.
Ye ba ofie ho mu gu ho bebre.
The most loyal living thing on earth.
It is true. Dogs are the most loyal animals around human. Dogs are. Now, a den our brabo our bedru e obetumi aka say. We dear, e ade am ye ya amoa me. Bibi ho awaya wa regret it. Na wa femu aba na ne wo de be ya futu amaye.
Hey.
Oh yes, ebetumi ay bibia mu. Ebetumi na for fam, ebetumi ay adwuma, ebetumi ay ma apemu, ebetumi ay aware, ebetumi ay bibia mu.
Hey. Emma pedi. Emma pedi obi apebi sa. Emma pamwa. Emma pamwa bi.
Emma pamwa o. Mutie. Ah moje nkrofo numbers anyhow no. Ane Emma pamwa into bezo ka say abrantie bia usi so a wo ma apemu no mo ani na ho.
Because yeah, me blame you on as such because it do baby out of excitement. The other account of them no. Ubi pruna na obibia.
Ne feye ne ho ho.
Nti no e ba ne sa omo na mfo the war no omo amani na omo ko. Nti me advice omo say uno partner wo ho na bibi koso a enwo mu ntim. Because so kono go ka che wadan fo a eno an odi be twa mpo a. Ni na kan nipa na ho.
You're right.
Yep.
You're right.
I say mape. I say mape. And the biggest regrets. As a mother, I say we are looking good dog microphone tiase. King Solomon. Nyame mani nyansa o man nyam o man sika. King Solomon ba bewu no o kan nyama mienu. Nyama mienu the first one is say fear women and leave. Number 2, I say vanity upon vanity. Nyama nyina. Ewi ase wo ye bema na wo hweme a. Sa wo be koso wi ase a. Utimi jae ma pe a. Ubedi. Tell me, sa wo ye bema na be koso wo wi ase a. U jae ma pe a. Ubedi. Yes. E ma pe na me kan enye sa be wo yire na wo ba ko wo hu. Eno de enye na me kan no. E ma pe ni bema sabe. Our yiri back will be sending girlfriends and girlfriends near 20. Obisa no say I me a fan boy e ma pe me. Jimmy na wu Jimmy no. Wani kwase na eba no. Wo say ma pe. Asamoah is so ball. He went to the highest level. Now say kwa hwe ya court cases be so ko di girl be to a and also e ba e se bebre. And we say the ma bebre from the year to whatever. Sebe. These are experiences that he has gone through. It's a na Asamoah and catch us say the biggest regret in my part is unless you are not wise. Because they be amika say and my penno be anim. Never my dear me and Sanda akatua de bema. And first of all, your time as a person. Obi open my bian who spending more time with man because obi here attention. And today biano anya kosa na ye brane kwahye baabi anya brane kwahye baabi a braye pie. That's the norm. No matter who say kasam enyina da. Because a man does something, oh, I not be for baby and 200 bill, baby and 1,000 bill. Ain't you say can I bring any no? At the end of the day, no find your training in a better. The third one, a seven, a yard dear so would see a pan crash like a fourth, no? And your energy, your energy. Catch them say not to become 4 or 5 rounds. We are young guys here. Trust me. Now at this time, no, you need to conserve your energy because you need the energy unya. Na energy ni na odi si maswa wo boy ya bo mama can be sure. Oba be se na butu no so ye ash no. Sa ash no o catch the be bia. Oba no catch say your thing is sweet no. Wa catch na member 1,000 say your thing is sweet. You are not the first, and you be the last. Obana sabi uye na woye team pampama wona udiye no wo de dada. Sati no cap na kasa waye amekofo bebre yusu wom enye nkwa na wo no wo sati ni. It is our praises bebre be dey praise you no. Mase ma uchibunya de. Wa catch na member 1,000. Women, once you satisfy her, she will praise you. And trust me, and my satisfaction no. Oban can chere will say, oh, that will be not satisfied till then no obemma wu amentina ho onya da. Enti ene wodo wa ho odi nyina ma obadia due. The last one in perform ho spirituality. Bema se obedi ya ma woni o masan. E ma ni bi wo ho a ye wo badlock wo mo ho wodo ho ball na obi bi asan. Kama. Musuo na di nachi. Because Emma are naturally attractive. So they are even attracted to what? The spirit world. Enti so bebre di nachi. Enti when you na ya maso. The moment you sleep with somebody, you form what we call a soul bond. Enti bema ba kono, who 1,000 soul bonds. Me will be a one who watch a more than 1,000, 3,000. We are poor. Now, who can we now? All the bomb samani, and then as Asamoah just said, it's all what? Vanity. Yeah. Nanama Asamoah, one of the finest journalists in Ghana. I say you will be a man with diplomatic passport, and Nanama McBrown. You could tell him.
My pick easily would have been Asamoah McBrown.
Oh, okay.
Easily, because Asamoah wields a certain power in the diaspora.
Mm-hmm.
For Ghanaians abroad, she is loved across the world in the Ghanaian communities, and you cannot underestimate her impact. So I think that there should have been a representation from that sector, the local language, speakers, so that it doesn't look like because listening to all of you, the two of you were harping about Anita's delivery, Denta's delivery, and rightly so. They speak impeccable English. They are very good, but we need somebody else local. There should be.
It's a lady or two.
There should be about Riala, precisely Riala. So that it doesn't look too elitist. It doesn't look too elitist, but aside,
is also an elite.
Rihanna is actually not elitist.
No, but
it's just her the people who listen to her music
that a little bit traditional. No,
she's not elitist at all.
Okay. Depends on how you want to define that.
No. Rihanna is so authentically nothing. She's raw. No,
but even in person.
Even in person.
And you are on the time of cameras.
Oh, and you on.
Rihanna, for instance, absolutely deserves a defense.
And I'm one of Casano. Yekase Obia Sabe. Ghanaians need to celebrate, especially womanhood. Nana McBrown, untimi you know ensin chain. Or ye a woman of virtue. Or ye a woman who has defied every odd. Or you be a sabe. E we are similar or by ye no. Ni a yesi enye impossible impossible. Why the possibility? Or you be a friend an epitome of a good woman. Why you be an warfare? Or no na warfare no matching with what she can do as a person. Or ye nostrils. Or is selfless or compassion. Sa obawe en na mehwe so na me dia tu me babafo enye se be oba oye ne se no abegina se makwa ne se no akwa ne to no de ne to no ajejeje mama sika no de mani kunu enye no bi na meka. This is a woman a we make ya se otimi so be ma no ahwe no ai e mana mo fo se e crime no wo hwe be ma nye crime. Send your member share man, send a mask to Michelle Member. Who will be now? You see, Mammy can be show. Sister, body only the women of substance, you know, they take the men that they want. Those times, you know, Bema, Usika, and the chance over to me within an out room. It's the same today. A woman with money will come and take your husband because you don't have money. And it's allowed. Because who you bano mentality na wo chimri nyina se ese be ma na hweme oba bi so wa ye adwuma nyesika to ono so ba hwe be ma oba jukunu ai minim sa ha de ma na mo mpa enye hwe eti enna moti we se obi a mo betimi ahwe ne so na se mo betimi abobra ma na including my daughters na McBrown. She deserves even more than diplomatic passport. Maybe me feel say she deserves what we call even what a statue because she has braced all odds and now she the media landscape now. Nana McBrown, only trained journalist, but about acting, Gyan no. I say it without no fear of favor. About journalism, I'm part of her. Nana has braced all the words. Or starting and now we're all having doubts. Bene, why the pillar? It means say, or ye obia, or the idea man kitwana otimi ye ni bebre. That is the woman I'm talking about. I Xposed GHFM Bebru subscribe share. Many two man now I can be manusi.